this model and make it okay. We have to bring a new format like this, and then starting with the same point, first we have to select the sketch, means on which plane we are going to design or this 2D profile. Okay, so from here select this top face or XY plane, then using this profile, use this rectangle command, and taking this form center command, take a center point this and create a width of 51 into 8. Just a second, 51 into 8. How much? That is 408. And then similarly of height 408, and make the angle of, just a second, let's make it 408 and make the angle of 0 like this one, and rectangle will be created. Let's cancel the command, make it fit from here like this one. Now what we have to do is to finish it, and we have to extrude it. So going on the extrude command, we have to select any curve because of this connected curve. All curves are connected to each other. Here we use info curve, you can also use that connecting curve. Okay. So from here taking specify vector to opposite, that is correct, and taking this 7 boolean to none and making it okay from here like this one. Now in the chest we need the 64 squares, for this 8. So from here taking this sketch, and we have to select the top of this face. So from here top this face and make it okay. Again making it fit so you can get whole profile. So again going on the rectangle command, and by 2 points command, we have to create a rectangle from this end point of width 51 by 51 like this one, and click OK like this one. Okay. Again what we have to do is to do the profile on this pattern command. We have to give pattern command, and we have to pattern this in x-axis. So first select this curve, select any curve. Again linear object, this should be of x from here. Reverse the direction, make it 8 and 51, that is okay. Now make that apply like this one. Okay. Okay, again select the curve, select this sketch 3. Will not set like this, so first cancel this, select this one. Okay, why it is taking this line? I just a second. Okay, that is no, nothing. Okay, let's first right click and make it orient way to sketch like this one. Again making it fit. Now what we do is to select this one, going on this pattern command, all this will be selected like this one, and again taking this linear object, take this now vertical axis or this y-axis, reverse the direction from here and make it okay from here like this one. And then what we have to do for creating the different colors in this, so we have to make it first finish sketch, and then we have to divide the faces, so we could color each and every face. So from here going on this insert, then going on this trim, we will get a divide face. So going on this divide face, we have to select the face, select this face, select object, then we have to select this sketch 3. Okay, all 256 object has been selected. Now normal to curve point and make it okay from here. Okay, now we can see, okay, each and every face has been separated. Okay, so again going on to the control J, we have to press control J for the class selections features. Okay, going on this control J, select the object first from here, select face. Okay, so we can select each and every face. So starting from this corner, first select all diagonals from this corners like this one, then leaving one for black, again for white, select all diagonals, again leaving this, again selecting all diagonals. Similarly here, now we have to select this side also diagonals like this one and this one, making it okay from here. Okay, one left. Okay, we will do it later. Okay, so from here taking this as white, which is this one, which is powder gray, no matter. we have to do is white and make it okay from here, and let's apply it. Okay, again selecting the first, we will do this one. So again selecting a face from here, and we have to color this one as white first because this one has left. Let's color it to white and make it okay. Again selecting new objects, again making it to face like this one. Select object, first select this object, then select this object, then select this object, again selecting whole line this, and again selecting this one. Okay, now making it okay on this color, and let's make it to black and make it okay and okay like this one. Okay, it's look like a chessboard. Okay, so let's give a support on its base. So go on this sketch, something like a tray base. Okay, and making it okay. Again let's do this, and going on this rectangle and making a form center, taking the center point, make it to 500 if this exists. Okay, and also make it to 500, make the angle of 0. Again finish it, take extrude command, selecting this point and make it to 2 or make it to 3, and let's make this unite to the body has been selected, make it okay from here. Okay, now what we have to do is to hide this sketch from here. Again going on to this render command and making it rendered. So might be black white color, this one it shows as similar to that, but you will tilt and you will get it is white in color. Okay, that is only due to the effect of animation effects. Okay, so again going on this, let's see this two threading editor, and select this face of extrude, select this face, select this face, let's rotate it, select this face, select this face, and select the bottom also. Let's make it to this one, so the color would change a little white. Let's check it out. Okay, now you can see the color has been changed on the bottom. Let's see if this worked or not with this white. Body selected, and let's see. Okay, no problem, all this nearly similar, and make that apply. Let's cancel this, and first we have to change this color because we have changed. Again going on this to editing center, selecting this one. Similarly again we can do in all this, selecting all this one, bottom has been selected, this has been selected. Let's make it to like this. We can change the background to dark. Okay, let's make it to shiny metal, get, and make it okay like this one. So in this way we can create a chessboard. Okay, if you want we can change the color of this sides also, so the separate everything will look separate. Okay, so let's go on to again control J, or no need to go on control J, go on this to setting editor, change the color this with this. If see this exists, let's change, we need only 4 sides, so you will get the color something different. Let's see what happened. Oh, hasn't worked. Let's see what is Okay, it's gone blue. Okay, no problem. Again selecting this one and let's make it to red. Okay, it is. Again selecting this one and make it to red. It is. It is due to effect both are same color. Okay, again selecting this one and making it to red. Again selecting this one, so we'll get, no, not that one. We have, okay, by mistake we have gone all the deselected. Okay, again select this one, select this one, select this one, and then select this one. Let's make it to red and make it okay from here. Okay, in this way you can design the board of the chess. Now in the last video we are going to assemble all these parts. Thank you.